Are you planning to take the Master Plumbing Licensure examination? Then, this is for you. Welcome to the Master Plumbing Review and Refresher. Answer the following set of questions carefully for the plumbing arithmetic. Without further ado, let's start.
Question number 1. It is a series of equal payment occurring at equal interval of time. Letter A, interest. Letter B, amortization. Letter C, annuity. Letter D, deposit. The answer is letter C, annuity. Question number 2. A regular polygon with 10 sides. Letter A, dodecagon. Letter B, decagon. Letter C, undecagon. Letter D, icosagon. The answer is letter B, decagon. Question number 3. It is a branch of mathematics dealing with integers and more generally, numerical computation. Letter A, algebra. Letter B, arithmetic. Letter C, trigonometry. Letter D, calculus. The answer is letter B, arithmetic. Question number 4. If each two lines are perpendicular to the same line, then the lines are blank. Letter A, perpendicular. Letter B, converging. Letter C, tangent. Letter D, parallel. The answer is letter D, parallel. Question number 5. He conceptualized that, the heavier the object, the faster speed it will fall. Letter A, Galileo. Letter B, Newton. Letter C, Aristotle. Letter D, Einstein. The answer is letter C, Aristotle. Question number 6. 1 horsepower is equal to blank. Letter A, 0.746 kilowatt. Letter B, 746 kilowatts. Letter C, 1000 watts. Letter D, 1000 foot-pound per second. The answer is letter A, 0.746 kilowatt. Question number 7. 45 degrees is what quadrant? Letter A, quadrant 1. Letter B, quadrant 2. Letter C, quadrant 3. Letter D, quadrant 4. The answer is letter A, quadrant 1. Question number 8. It is the number under a radical symbol. Letter A, radicand. Letter B, root. Letter C, index. Letter D, exponent. The answer is letter A, radicand. Question number 9. The most efficient thermodynamic cycle. Letter A, Carnot cycle. Letter B, Otto cycle. Letter C, Rankine cycle. Letter D, Brighton cycle. The answer is letter A, Carnot cycle. Question number 10. A situation whereby payment is made for work not done. The term also applies to the case where more workers are used than a reasonable requirement for efficient operation. Letter A, downtime pay. Letter B, feather bidding. Letter C, check-in pay. Letter D, moonlighting. The answer is letter B, feather bidding. Question number 11. What is the highest position in the corporation? Letter A, President. Letter B, Chairman of the Board. Letter C, Director. Letter D, Chief. The answer is letter B, Chairman of the Board. Question number 12. What do you call a polygon with 100 sides? Letter A, kiliogon. Letter B, myriagon. Letter C, hectagon. Letter D, centagon. The answer is letter C, hectagon. Question number 13. It is the average of the numbers. Letter A, median. Letter B, mean. Letter C, mode. Letter D, range. The answer is letter B, mean. Question number 14. This statement shows assets equal to liabilities plus owner's equity at a point in time. Letter A, asset. Letter B, balance sheet. Letter C, financial statement. Letter D, income statement. The answer is letter B, balance sheet. Question number 15. It is a number that tells the position of something in a list, such as first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and so on. Letter A, cardinal. Letter B, ordinal. Letter C, nominal. Letter D, special. The answer is letter B, ordinal. Question number 16. It is the logarithm with base 10. Letter A, common logarithm. Letter B, natural logarithm. Letter C, logarithmic scale. Letter D, anti-logarithm. The answer is letter A, common logarithm. Question number 17. This is a triangle with no equal sides. Letter A, scalene. Letter B, obtuse. Letter C, isosceles. Letter D, equilateral. The answer is letter A, scalene. Question number 18. In a fluid at rest in a closed container, a pressure change in one part is transmitted without loss to every portion of the fluid and to the walls of the container. Letter A, Archimedes' principle. Letter B, Pascal's principle. Letter C, Newton's principle. Letter D, Manning's principle. The answer is letter B, Pascal's principle. Question number 19. Additional information of prospective bidders on contract documents issued prior to bidding date. Letter A, escalation clause. Letter B, bid bulletin. Letter C, information board. Letter D, invitation to bid. The answer is letter B, bid bulletin. Question number 20. The eccentricity of a rectangular hyperbola is blank. Letter A, square root of 2. Letter B, square root of 3. Letter C, 2. Letter D, 1.5. The answer is letter A, square root of 2. Question number 21. A relation in which there is exactly one range element associated with each domain element. Letter A, range. Letter B, set. Letter C, domain. Letter D, function. The answer is letter D, function. Question number 22. What is the point where the second derivative is 0? Letter A, maxima. Letter B, minima. Letter C, inflection point. Letter D, point of intersection. The answer is letter C, inflection point. Question number 23. The most proved theorem in mathematics. Letter A, Gauss lemma. Letter B, Fermat's theorem. Letter C, Ptolemy's theorem. Letter D, Pythagorean theorem. The answer is letter D, Pythagorean theorem. Question number 24. Which of the following is not a secondary part of a triangle? Letter A, altitudes. Letter B, medians. Letter C, sides. Letter D, exterior angles. The answer is letter C, sides. Question number 25. The sum of the exponents of the several variables of the term is referred to as the blank of the term. Letter A, power. Letter B, degree. Letter C, root. Letter D, partial sum. The answer is letter B, degree.
That's all for this set. Comment on your score below. Thank you and good luck.